Qualtrics Survey Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think online survey tools are all the same, but you won't believe what happens next when a platform provides advanced analytics, customizable surveys, and enterprise-grade insights in one place. Qualtrics is a survey and experience management platform used by businesses, researchers, and organizations to collect feedback, analyze data, and improve customer or employee experiences. The surprising truth about Qualtrics is that it's not just a survey builder, it's an intelligence platform. It includes real-time analytics, predictive insights, and tools to automate action based on survey results. Most people get this wrong. They assume survey platforms only collect responses. Qualtrics enables segmentation, cross-tabulation, and integration with CRMs, making insights actionable and business-oriented. Qualtrics is best for medium to large organizations, research teams, and customer experience managers who need robust data collection and analysis capabilities. The surprising truth is that investing in a professional survey tool can provide deeper understanding, better decisions, and measurable improvements in experience management. Subscribe for more honest software reviews that help you make smarter, data-driven decisions.